Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to unlock the secret to building muscle, losing fat and feeling your absolute best? In today's video, we are doing a deep dive into HGH peptide, the science, the result and the step-by-step on how you can use them to completely transform your body. We'll also talk about combining some peptides with testosterone replacement therapy and or semaglutide, some examples of real result and how to avoid common mistakes. This is the most comprehensive guide you will find, so grab a snack and let's go. First, let's get some basics straight. HGH peptides are the small proteins that stimulate your pituitary gland to naturally release growth hormone. Unlike synthetic HGH, peptide works with your body's natural rhythm. This means fewer side effects and more sustainable results. HGH peptide can help muscle growth, fat loss, better recovery, improved sleep, enhanced skin elasticity and complete anti-aging package. Think of HGH peptide as the ultimate biohacking tool to help you achieve your fitness goals faster. But here's the question. How do they work for you specifically? Let's break it down with examples. Number 1, Sermorelin. Sermorelin is like beginner-friendly peptide. It gently stimulates your pituitary gland, helping your body increase its natural HGH levels. It's ideal for somebody who is just starting their fitness journey or looking to recover faster. Example, let's take Jake, a 40-year-old dad who is getting back into the gym. He started using Sermorelin and within 6 to 8 weeks noticed better recovery after workout and more energy during the day. Jake also dropped 5 pounds of fat without changing his diet too much. Sermorelin is subtle but effective. Here is how it works. Sermorelin boosts the natural HGH production. It also enhances the recovery and fat burning over time, so it improves your natural metabolism. Use Sermorelin if you are new to the peptide or want to start slow. Number 2 is Ipamorelin. Now, if you want to take things up a notch, Ipamorelin is your go-to. It's often called a clean peptide because it boosts HGH level without increasing your cortisol or hunger hormone. This makes it perfect for building lean muscle and shredding stubborn fat. Example, meet Sarah, a fitness enthusiast in her late 30s. She added Ipamorelin to her routine and paired it with resistant training. In just 3 months, she dropped 4% body fat and gained noticeable muscle definition. The best part? Sarah avoided the stress or bloating that other supplement caused her. Here is how Ipamorelin works. Ipamorelin stimulates HGH release without affecting your cortisol level. It also reduces fat storage while promoting muscle growth. It is recommended to choose Ipamorelin if you are serious about achieving lean, toned physique and if you are pairing it with regular workout, weightlifting and high protein diet. The next one is CJC1295. This one's the heavy hitter. CJC1295 is known for its long-acting effect, making it ideal for consistent and sustained HGH release. Combined with Ipamorelin, it's like 1-2 punch for muscle growth and fat loss. Let's take an example. Take Mike, a competitive bodybuilder. He stacks CJC1295 with Ipamorelin and within 8 weeks, his strength gains skyrocketed, while his body fat hit single digit. Mike even reported sleeping better and waking up more refreshed with more energy. Ipamorelin helps sustain HGH level over a longer period. Synergize with Ipamorelin for maximum result. It is recommended to use CJC1295 if you are looking for serious long-term changes. Now here is where things get really exciting. HGH peptide can be combined with testosterone replacement therapy and or semaglutide for even better results. Let's take testosterone replacement therapy and HGH peptide. Testosterone helps you build muscle and boost energy, while HGH peptide amplify fat loss and recovery. Together, they create a powerful synergy. If you are on testosterone replacement therapy, adding peptides like Ipamorelin or CJC1295 can fill the gaps by optimizing recovery and muscle repair. Example, Mark, a 45-year-old on TRT, started CJC1295 and within 12 weeks he gained 8 pounds of lean muscle while dropping 6% of body fat. He said his workout felt easier and his joint recovered faster. Next combination is semaglutide and HGH peptide. Semaglutide, a GLP-1 agonist, is great for suppressing appetite and aiding weight loss. Paired with peptides, it can accelerate fat loss while preserving muscle. Let's take an example. Lisa, who struggled with weight loss, used semaglutide alongside Ipamorelin. She lost 15 pounds in 2 months and retained her muscle tone. The peptide helped her recover from workout while the semaglutide kept her diet on track. Timing is everything. When it comes to HGH peptide, here is how to use them effectively. First thing is when to inject. Peptides best taken on an empty stomach, either before bed or post-workout. How to inject. Sub-Q injections are easy and pain-free. Always follow your provider's guidance. Now, the third thing is combining peptide. You can stack Sermorelin or CJC1295 with Ipamorelin for enhanced effects and better results. Before we wrap up, here are the few important tips. Number 1, always consult a licensed medical provider before starting. Number 2, don't overdo the dosage. More is not always better. And number 3, combine peptides with proper nutrition and solid workout. Without proper nutrition and proper workout, the peptides are never going to work. Nothing is going to work without a full plan. There you have it, the ultimate guide to HGH peptide for building muscle and losing fat. Whether you are using Sermorelin, Ipamorelin or CJC1295, this peptide can transform your fitness journey. If you are ready to take a leap, message us for personalized advice. Check out MyFitMed website for more support. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for more tips on health and fitness. See you in the next video.